Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Stanley number 312976 threshold and bottom pivot. And let's take the components out and get an idea of all that's included. There will be a heavy threshold that's here. Heavy in terms of the wall thickness of the material is substantial. Obviously some machining has been done to it to permit that bottom pivot to be installed. And this video will serve as visual and dimensional review of the item. So we have our bottom threshold portion. And you see little individual pieces of thresholds installed all the time. Overall length, 6.5 inch. Overall width, 4 inch. Okay. Appears to be a 1/2 inch tall threshold. Indeed. From the short end to the center of the preparation for the pivot appears to be 2 3/4. Okay. And by the way, this kit weighs 1.2 pounds. And then the other parts that you will get with this, you're going to get your bottom arm, overall length about 3.5. Overall width about 1 7/16 with a thickness of 1/2 inch. You'll get your bottom pivot spindle assembly. That is going to, of course, be threaded into the threshold itself. No problem. Threads just, there are flattened ends for you to put a wrench onto it, and that will go in. The ability to set your set screw is there as well. Fastener package. 4 plastic anchors, probably for the, I'd say it'd probably be a number 10 by maybe 1.25 inch, 1.5 screw. That'll be included. You will then indeed get your set screw for setting the pivot spindle threaded into the threshold assembly. You will get 3 machine screws for attaching your bottom arm to the bottom of the door. And then finally, you're going to get the last bolt in the package, which is the set screw, so to speak, and you're going to, that will be run through and will thread into the bottom arm assembly, because you will be able to, it's what they would call an end load. Okay. End load scenario. Got thread lock on it, so I'm not going to be able to get that threaded in very far. That would be an end load, and it's threaded all the way through, and you can see evidence of that at the very end here. Not going to need it nearly going that far. Okay, that's what this is. Finally, there is also a template. I should have mentioned that. Okay, a magic swing bottom pivot template. There's also a link below this video to this template as well. Finally, there is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Stanley automatic products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. The name Stanley is synonymous with many different things, whether it be commercial hardware or it be automatic doors and hardware and, you know, tools and whatnot. But in this case, we're dealing with Stanley Automatic, and that is their automatic door division. Any questions on the Stanley 312976 threshold and bottom pivot or any other Stanley product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.